Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can open up the bonnet, the hood on your BMW iX3. So here is the catch here, and we don't just do it once, we've got to do it twice. Once to release it, and then the second time to fully release it. So there's no other catch in the bonnet, so that might have been catching you out. So if I do this once, that's now opened it up, and now I've got to do it again, and that will be the final one. And now you can see it will open. And to close the bonnet, you have to give it quite a bit of a slam down from about 50 centimeters to make sure it locks on here and also here. So from about this point now, make sure it goes down nice and firmly, and you can see now that it is closed on both sides, because otherwise it's not going to be fully shut. And the door does have to be open to release the bonnet catch, because it won't open with the door closed, because you can see it fouls against the door. Thanks for watching.